Grandma, it's very simple. Take your Kindle and look on the bottom. There's a little hole right here that's called the charging port. And then the cable I sent you, which is a USB-C, it looks like an oval. Just put that into the hole, okay? Plug it in. Make sure you plug this cable into the wall on the other side, and then you'll see this light turn on. And once the light is on and it's orange, that means it's charging. Okay, just let it do that for a few hours, and then when you're done, you can unplug it. If you really want to read and your battery's still dead, you can just click the button and then unlock, and you'll see that your Kindle will be charging and you can still read. So if you're by your bed or the plug at the airport or something, you can still read and it'll charge. You'll see it'll go back to this light when it's off and it's just charging the battery. That's it. That's how you charge the Kindle. If you ever lose the charger, just buy a USB-C cable, okay? 7-Eleven, Amazon, wherever, USB-C cable, Kindle, plug it in, just let it charge for a few hours. It'll last for like a month.